Living like royalty for just $150? How far can it stretch in Cambodia's affordable paradise? We'll compare Cambodia's cost of living with Western standards and show how $150 can cover essentials like housing, food, and entertainment. You'll discover budget options for different lifestyles from basic to comfortable. Plus, get insider tips from expats who live well without overspending. Even if $150 sounds tight, we'll cover realistic budgets that prove you can live comfortably in Cambodia. Stick around to see how far your money can truly go. First, let's talk about the cost of living in Cambodia. Have you thought about how much your lifestyle could improve in a more affordable country? In Cambodia, you can experience an affordable lifestyle without sacrificing comfort. With an average monthly cost of around $770, living here is nearly 1.42 times cheaper than the global average. Let's break it down to see where your money goes. What does it take to live comfortably? Housing in Cambodia offers options for every budget. A one-bedroom apartment in the city center costs about $527.81 per month. Prefer quieter surroundings? Outside the city center, the rent drops to $321.67, making it a great choice for those looking to save. When it comes to food, the numbers are just as appealing. Monthly groceries cost about $284. Eating out? A simple restaurant meal costs just $2.50. And even a 3-course dinner for two at a mid-range spot is only $20. Getting around is another area where you save. A one-way local transit ticket costs just $1.94, while a monthly pass is $14.10. Need a taxi for an 8-kilometer or 5-mile trip? That's only $8.56 on average. For leisure, you won't need to break the bank. A cinema ticket is just $5.20, and a gym membership is about $46.50 monthly. How much do you need overall? On a minimalist lifestyle, $500 a month is enough for basic housing, home-cooked meals, and limited entertainment. If you want to enjoy more luxuries like better accommodations and frequent dining out, a budget of $1,000 to $1,500 will let you live quite comfortably. It's amazing how Cambodia allows for a high-quality life at a fraction of the cost compared to many Western countries. Would you consider living here and stretching your budget further? Now, what kind of home would you choose if you had access to affordable yet diverse living arrangements? Cambodia offers a variety of housing options to match every lifestyle and budget, whether you prefer modern amenities or a rustic charm. What types of homes can you find here? Apartments are the go-to option in urban centers like Phnom Penh. You'll find everything from basic units to sleek serviced apartments, complete with amenities like gyms and pools. If you're after more space, villas are a fantastic choice. These standalone houses often include gardens and multiple bedrooms, making them ideal for families or those looking for a touch of luxury. Traditional Khmer houses, meanwhile, provide a taste of rural living with elevated wooden structures that blend history with practicality. What's the cost of renting? In Phnom Penh, a one-bedroom apartment in the city center averages $527.81 per month. Want to save more? Moving outside the center lowers the rent to around $321.67. For those craving luxury, villas in prime locations range from $1,000 to $3,000 per month. In rural areas, traditional Khmer houses are incredibly affordable, with rents between $100 and $300 thanks to simpler amenities and lower demand. What do these homes look like? Urban apartments in Phnom Penh showcase modern designs with open-plan layouts and access to community facilities like pools and gyms. Villas are spacious with private gardens and multiple bedrooms that offer an elegant living experience. Traditional Khmer houses, crafted from wood and elevated on platforms, exude a rustic charm and are well-suited to Cambodia's tropical climate. Would you prefer the urban buzz of a modern apartment or the peaceful simplicity of a Khmer house? Cambodia has something for everyone, no matter your taste or budget. Next, let's dive into food and dining in Cambodia. How does Cambodia's food scene manage to be both rich in flavor and easy on the wallet? This country's culinary landscape is a treat for the senses, offering a mix of history, tradition, and affordability that few places can match. What makes Cambodian cuisine special? Cambodian cuisine, or Khmer cuisine, is a flavorful fusion of local ingredients and international influences. Staples like rice and freshwater fish are elevated with lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, and the uniquely Cambodian fermented fish paste, prahut. These flavors come together in dishes that reflect centuries of culinary tradition shaped by Cambodia's geography and history. Where should you eat? For an authentic experience, head to bustling local markets like Phnom Penh Central Market or Siem Reap's Old Market. Here, you'll find everything from fresh produce to aromatic street food. These markets are more than just shopping spots. They're windows into everyday Cambodian life. If you're in the mood for something more refined, cities like Phnom Penh and Siem Reap offer a wide array of dining establishments. Choose from family-run eateries that serve traditional fare or upscale restaurants experimenting with fusion cuisine. Wherever you go, you're sure to find dishes that showcase the heart of Khmer food. Is it cheaper to cook or eat out? Cooking at home is incredibly budget-friendly. At local markets, a kilogram of rice costs just 43 cents, and a dozen eggs are about $1.88. Dining out is just as appealing, with meals at inexpensive restaurants costing about $2.50. Even the three-course dinner for two at a mid-range restaurant only sets you back $20. Whether you prefer cooking or dining out, Cambodia makes it easy to savor delicious food without spending a fortune. Which would you try first? Local street food or a gourmet Khmer dish? Now let's explore leisure and entertainment in Cambodia. What does it take to enjoy a fulfilling lifestyle filled with relaxation and culture? In Cambodia, leisure and entertainment options cater to every interest and budget, offering experiences that combine quality with affordability. How can you indulge in accessible luxury? Start with the country's spa treatments, which range from traditional Khmer massages to modern wellness therapies. Siem Reap and Phnom Penh have countless spas to choose from. For example, a luxurious 90-minute massage at Khmer Tonic Spa in Shintamani Angkor costs $78.65. Prefer something more budget-friendly? Angkor Seeing Hands offers 60-minute massages for just $12. For those seeking adventure, guided tours of Cambodia's historical gems, like the iconic Angkor temples, are available at various price points. Opt for a luxury tour with personalized itineraries, expert guides, and private transportation for a more immersive experience. And don't miss Cambodia's vibrant event scene, which includes traditional dance performances, music festivals, and art exhibitions, all reasonably priced. What about cultural experiences? Cambodia's galleries and museums are a treasure trove of history and creativity. The National Museum of Cambodia in Phnom Penh offers an extensive collection of Khmer art and artifacts, with admission fees of only $10. For free cultural events and exhibitions, venues like Meta House provide a mix of local and international artistry. Traditional theaters bring Cambodian culture to life with Apsara dance performances, regularly held across the country. Tickets start as low as $15, making it easy to explore the country's rich performing art scene. Why do expats love Cambodia's lifestyle? Expatriates often highlight affordable housing, low-cost dining, and reasonably priced leisure as key factors in their quality of life. Many enjoy engaging in cultural activities and exploring natural beauty without overspending. Would you prefer a relaxing spa day or an evening immersed in traditional dance? In Cambodia, you can do both without stretching your budget. Finally, let's hear insights from expats living in Cambodia. What makes Cambodia so appealing to those seeking a new home abroad? It's the blend of affordability, cultural richness, and opportunities for both modest and luxurious living that draws expatriates from around the globe. How do expats live in Cambodia? For those on a budget, living on $1,000 to $1,500 per month can provide a surprisingly comfortable lifestyle. This covers housing, food, and leisure, offering a quality of life that's often out of reach in Western countries. On the flip side, individuals with larger budgets can enjoy upscale accommodations, premium services, and fine dining. The cost of luxury here is significantly lower than in many other places, making it an attractive option for those who want more indulgence. What are the positives and challenges of adapting to life in Cambodia? Expats praise the affordability of living in Cambodia, where day-to-day expenses are low, yet the quality of life remains high. The growing expat community provides ample opportunities for socializing and support, making the transition to life abroad much easier. The country's cultural richness is another highlight, with a history and heritage that offer endless chances for exploration and learning. However, there are challenges too. The language barrier can be tricky, especially in rural areas, so learning basic Khmer is often necessary. Healthcare access is limited outside major cities, requiring careful planning for emergencies. Additionally, infrastructure issues like unreliable internet and electricity can pose occasional inconveniences. What do expats recommend for living well for less? To save money, consider housing outside city centers, where rents are significantly lower but amenities remain accessible. Use tuk-tuks or rent a motorbike for affordable transportation. For dining, local markets and street food vendors offer authentic flavors at low prices. Lastly, networking with expat groups can provide valuable advice and support. So, would you embrace the challenges for a chance at an affordable, rewarding lifestyle in Cambodia? Many expats agree it's worth it. Cambodia proves that living well on a budget is more than possible, especially when you know where to look for value. But Cambodia isn't the only country where you can enjoy an affordable lifestyle. In our next video, we'll reveal surprising places around the world where unique dating culture favors older men and life is incredibly affordable. Stay tuned to discover some unexpected destinations that might just change your perspective.